Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to let you know the new functionalities that I have added to the PAN card application form. So as you know that I have created the PAN card filling form so that whenever you get the minimal details, the form will be ready to be printed and you can just directly submit it, all right, to the PAN authorities. All right, so this is the form that you will be getting generated within a few clicks. All right, so within like 2-3 minutes your form will be ready. So let me just show it to you what all updates I have done. So in previous video I had shown to you that um, uh, so yeah. All right, so it requires a password. So that security feature I have intentionally added so that no one can use your tool except you, and then your data will remain secured. So as far as you know, your database is been created whenever you fill up the form. All right. So what I have included in recent functionality is insert photo and then insert a signature. So these two are the major functionality that I have been added. Other functionality is like as you might have been aware, you might have seen my previous video, the default options are given and then the all the options are given in the settings area. Whatever the default options are there, like AO codes, default options, all these, place, date, city, state, district, pin, and then email address is also there available. Okay. So I'm not going deeper into it. This will be a very simple and short video. I would just like to show it to you that how this works. All right. So let me just show it to you. I'll just enter the previous details and then you just click on get previous details and then all the previously saved data will be appearing. Okay, so in any case you need to search, you have any doubt like, hey, this person's PAN card I had filled up but you don't remember, just enter that number and then you click on get previous details and then your the details will be available. All right. And then I'm just clicking on this insert tool and then it will ask you to have a photograph of it. All right, so you can take a photograph of, I don't have any photograph at the moment, but yeah, you can have your photograph ready of your image and signature, and then that will be updated on the form 19. Okay, so whenever you click on view form, your form will show you the images as well. So this is a great functionality I have built. So here you will get the photo and then along across the photo the signature line will also be there. Here only the photo and then at the very bottom you will find the signature, right? This is a very great functionality. Within a few clicks your data is created, database is created, like you can save your data for future purpose. And so yeah, that's pretty much it about it. Let me know how you guys liked it. If you have any questions, queries, you can post a comment also. Regarding the password, you can post a comment. Better to say, I would say, uh, WhatsApp me or send me an Outlook email, okay, requesting the password. I'll share you the launch password. All right. Um, and then any new functionalities or anything that you need, just let me know via comment or email and I'll be happy to help you. All right, have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.